Hello there. Looks like I switched my arm after all. Well, at least half of it. Fuck the design. Let me just take you through the whole journey. Okay, so after hours of physical torment and beating shit, drilling shit, cutting myself in the process, this is what I've come up with. This is on the last video, and I didn't repeat any mistakes that I made in the last one. So I had to duct tape this because I couldn't drill through. Instead, for this one, what I did is place the screws in opposite directions, one below, one above. I did not need to duct tape this. Also, screw which I couldn't screw in here, I improved upon that and screwed each of the four securely. This I added because this is a straight joint, not like this one. So unlike this servo has enhanced strength because of the pseudo axle I fabricated, and I continued the axis all the way through this side, even though it's only through here. So for this one, this is not like this servo which has the pseudo axle. It is only connected here, and well, if it was without this, it would probably break with added load. So to correct this, to add strength, I added this perpendicular guard, and now one. So proud. Okay, so apparently the elbow servo, this one, I think I may have miscalculated it, and I have to remove it all the way and correct the whole fucking thing again. So yeah. Okay, now apparently I don't know what I'm doing because I've tried changing the boards and the servo will just keep going on like this, and I'm so fucking frustrated with that. Also, I tried the same code on Tinkercad. Apparently it works really well there. Let me show you. Yeah. I just want this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But anyway, I'll have the pizza first and then think about. Life seems to be fucking you every time you do something right and test your patience. So apparently the servo motors that I had initially fitted in were not positional servo motors, and I had 5 servo motors lying around. So apparently 4 of them were not positional, they were continuous, which means they did not have any potentiometer inside it, and out of 5 only one had. So I called my electronics guy today and got a new one. Also I replaced both the motors, had to take out the whole thing apart. Yeah, and then again I obviously assembled it. guys.